Weebly customer and super talented artist/human Bank added a Facebook like button to his website that connects directly to his fan page, so that when you click like, you immediately like and follow him on Facebook without needing to take any extra steps. How do you do that? Well, Facebook has a simple like button creation tool that anyone can use to make like buttons of their very own. You can find this tool yourself by doing a Google search for Facebook like buttons, or just by using the link that follows this video. This tool asks just a few simple questions that you need to answer. The first and most important is what URL or address this button will allow people to like. The most obvious address to enter here is the address of your website, but Bank did this one even better and entered the address of his Facebook fan page instead. It's taking this approach that causes anyone who uses that button to immediately follow his fan page on Facebook. This is much more valuable than simply having visitors like your site, since people who like your fan page will see updates you post to that page. Next, you should enter the width. 200 pixels wide is usually pretty good. Then, you choose how you'd like the button to be laid out. Bank went with the button count, so we'll choose the same option. And last, you select the action type. It's best to leave this on like. Additionally, Facebook includes a share button, which we recommend you turn off, since it doesn't really work very well. Once this form is filled out, click Get Code. This will present you with 2 snippets of code that need to be added to your site. The first snippet should be added to your header. Copy this code, then go to the Weebly editor. Click Settings, choose SEO, and then paste the code into the header box. Now, use the second snippet to actually add the button to your site. Copy this code. Then, drag an embed code element to any page or pages on your site, and paste the code into this element. The like button will not show up within the editor, but will be available for your visitors as soon as you publish your site. And that's how you do that.